Hi friends, welcome to my channel Happy Mind Speaking. Edinburgh Fringe Festival is one of the greatest art and cultural celebration that happens every year during summer season. Last year's celebration was cancelled due to COVID restrictions. However, this year we have the Fringe Festival, so let's go and see what are the performances available for us and enjoy the day. So friends, this is Princess Street. We reached here around 12 o'clock in the afternoon. The day looks very bright and shiny. There are some gift shop here, so I would like to go and see what are the things available. Visiting these shops is really easy. This is near to this Princess Street garden and few minutes walk from Princess Street bus stop and tram station. Princess Street Garden is so beautiful. I also made a video on this Princess Street Garden tour. So if you haven't watched it, I will leave a link in the below description box. Please have a look. So we are now entering into this area where all these small gifts, arts and craft shops are there. I love to visit all these small stores wherever I go. I will explain you why. There are plenty of reasons why we should visit these small business stores and why we should support them. Number one is they are like small business owners, and we need to support them in order for their sustainability. Number two is they are so unique and they are all like handpicked and not available in any of the branded stores. Reason number three is they are all so unique because they are all handmade ones. Most of them are handmade ones, so you can totally see the difference between the handmade ones and the factory ones. These all are like you feel so much personalized because of the color, texture and the uniqueness. If you are someone looking for personalized gift for your family and friends, I think you should visit these stores. They are so unique, and it will definitely satisfy your need. Most of the time these shops and street performances are really busy, but this time I'm not seeing that much of pressure and people, but it's good that like people are getting vaccinated and also taking care of their social distance and also obeying the social guidelines provided by the government. This wooden store is one of my favorite store. It has all kind of wooden spatula, wooden chopping board and serving boards. Look at the color, they are so nice. And let me tell you from one of my experience, if you would like to buy some woolen material, woolen coat, caps and shrugs, I think you need to buy it from the local ones because they are so well suited for the Edinburgh weather. I think if you're someone looking for this, I highly recommend you to go and visit the local store. You can see lot of jewelry shops as well. They are so unique and well crafted. We spent around 45 minutes already in those stores, so we are now heading out to have some light lunch. We stopped at Holy Cow restaurant, which looks very small from outside street, but it's very good and vegan friendly restaurant. This is one of our favorite restaurant because of their unique and ultimate taste, and also you should try the burgers and the cakes, they are awesome. We just ordered lemonade and peppermint tea. Here I am pouring some peppermint tea and try to soothe my tummy. Here comes the burgers and chips. They are so good. So we finished our lunch. We thought to make the light lunch, but it became very heavy. They were like really filling, and we couldn't try any of the dessert because we were already full. So, since it's a very bright and sunny day, people are just relaxing in the park. So, let's just spend some time here and slowly move to the area where the performances are going on. So while we walking to Princess Street, let me give you few tips. I think it may be helpful for many of you. If you are visiting Edinburgh for the first time, I think it's better to have an umbrella and a comfortable clothing because the weather keeps changing. It's a good idea to have an umbrella handy. Tip number 2 is make online reservation wherever it is possible, because many of the restaurants take reservations and they keep being busy most of the lunch and dinner times. Also during like a sunny day like this, you will see a lot of queue in front of the stores, as well as for many of the shows. We are hearing some music. Let's go and see the performance.
Acoustic guitar, Tailboy Dennis Kennedy. Real big. Marcel drum. Thank you, Ed.
That was a good one. Let's go and see some more musical events. So friends, those were the glimpses of Edinburgh Fringe Festival 2021. In coming days I will be showing you much more fun music, magic, comedy and other art events that is going throughout this month. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.